And we begin at 5 o'clock with weather and a look at some of the pancake ice in Holland. We went to check it out from Holland State Park.
Very cool looking. 13 on your side, Chief Meteorologist George Lessons over at the Weather Center now with more on a warm-up on our way this week. George?
Absolutely. It's going to feel like maybe spring in the next 10 days. Well, maybe I'm exaggerating just a little bit. Yeah, but a nice day. We've had more sunshine earlier today. We still have some out there. We had more sunshine through yesterday afternoon, and we had the entire month of January. We're continuing to get our payback from all of that cloudy weather in January. Just some high clouds out there right now. Those are out ahead of the next weather system that's going to bring rain to our area later on tonight. So this evening will be dry, but late tonight some rain, and that rain will move out here early tomorrow. That's the first of two rounds. Another one coming up out of the south. We'll have a lot more rain with it Wednesday night and Thursday. We'll cool off a little bit after being in the 40s next several days. Look at all of those warm temperatures, and with a south wind, we will see readings climb all night into the 40s by early tomorrow morning, and then they'll fall a little bit. And then later on this week, we'll be back into the 40s as well. Even one of our models is suggesting we could be near 50 later on next week. Temperatures right now are climbing, and they'll continue to climb from where they are. We're in the mid and upper 30s, 43 in Chicago. We'll be right around 43, 44 around daybreak tomorrow. We'll take a look at how much rain may fall in your community and the weekend in full in just a few minutes.
George is out on the weather deck. George, it's more mild than wild this week, right?
Oh, man, it's so nice today. The sunshine just looked and feels so good.
Yeah, today and so far this month of February has been payback, positive payback for all of that cloudy weather we had during the month of January. Already more sunshine than we saw all last month, and we welcome it, don't we?
We do.
We got some clouds, though, already beginning to increase on the western horizon. That's with the next weather system that will not only bring milder weather, but also some rain. 13 weather ball is blinking bright because of the rain late tonight, and it's red, warmer weather ahead next several days. And this review sponsored by Countryside Greenhouse of Allendale. You notice temperatures are not falling very much here this evening, and then you can see some light rain developing after midnight as temperatures rise into the mid-40s right around at daybreak. That'll be our high for the day and our low for tonight, and then we'll see it fall back to around 38, 36 by the end of the day. All the rain will be over during the morning tomorrow. Where is it coming from? Well, it actually hasn't developed yet. It is just going to break out later on tonight. This low pressure system is heading to our north. Anytime the storms move to the north and west of us, we generally have rain here. Rain will be breaking out here next several hours. This is 11 o'clock. Just beginning here in West Michigan, and this is 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. Cold front right in through here. We'll end that rain very quickly. That's why our temperatures will reach their highs in the morning tomorrow and then drop throughout the day. That's one of two systems. On Wednesday, we'll see increasing clouds after some sunshine in the morning. Here's Wednesday night's rain as that low pressure system comes up right overhead during the day Thursday. So much more rain with that system, and that'll be followed by some colder weather. On Friday, we'll start to see a little bit of light snow toward the afternoon into the evening. It won't amount to very much. Further north, though, you travel up near the Straits, there'll be lots of snow, but not here. Saturday will become sunny, and then the clouds roll back in on Sunday, but no impactful weather systems over the weekend, kind of like this last weekend. In terms of rainfall, not a lot with this first system, maybe 1/10 of an inch or less. And then we get into the Wednesday night, Thursday system. This could have well over an inch of rain in many locations, and as I mentioned, more snow off to the north and west than here. Temperature-wise, we'll warm to 44 tomorrow morning and then fall to 36 in the afternoon. Back to 42 Wednesday. And then 48 on Thursday, well above our average high, which is still in the mid-30s. Continuing the trend of warmer than average temperatures from the 12th through the 16th with higher chances for more precipitation, so most likely in the form of rain. Tonight, it'll become cloudy, and then late tonight some rain developing. It'll be breezy. These will be temperatures right around 8 to 10 o'clock in the morning for our overnight lows, mid-40s. Similar up north, low and mid-40s. Maybe a wintry mix from Reed City north, but mainly rain developing late tonight. And here in the greater Grand Rapids area, rain developing after midnight. These are the overnight lows and highs tomorrow, right around early morning. 13 on your side forecast. 48 Thursday, will drop to 37 on Friday with a little bit of light snow on the back edge of that, not a lot. Sunshine over the weekend, and then big warm up again next week, mid and upper 40s and maybe even near 50 by the following Thursday. A lot of sunshine this past week or so, more than we have seen since the entire month of January. Is any more of that sunshine in the future? Well, we got more rain than anything else. 13 weather ball is blinking bright. That'll move in late tonight and another round later this week. It's also red, milder weather ahead this week. This view sponsored by Countryside Greenhouse of Allendale. Forecast a high of 36. It's made 36 so far today. May actually continue to go up this evening. 4 days in a row where we've been within 3 degrees of our forecast high. Like when we get a bullseye to start the week. Upper level winds shifting a little bit. They're coming more from the southwest and west here next a couple of days. So with some warmer weather coming on, it's going to be in the form of rain. Look at these southwest winds all the way through Thursday. Warmer than average temperatures. Turning a little bit colder for Friday into the early part of the weekend. Back down to where we should be. And then next week, winds out of the southwest once again. Even warmer weather as we get in toward the end of next week. Maybe even close to 50 degrees at times as we wrap up at the end of next week. Hour by hour, we're going to start to see some rain move in late tonight. This is a cold front right in through here, so the rain will get pushed out tomorrow morning. We may end the day with some breaks in the clouds. We'll start the day with some sunshine Wednesday, but Wednesday night, this is a very large slug of some rain that will continue on through Thursday before it finally ends Thursday night. On Friday, we might see a little bit of a wintry mix or a couple of snowflakes as that colder air starts to pour on in, but sunshine Saturday and cloudy skies on Sunday. Very similar to what we saw this past weekend. A little bit of light snow is possible. This is on Friday, a little bit more to the north, but this is all we're going to see over the next week or so. We will generally see rain. Not much here during the night tomorrow or night tonight or tomorrow. Generally a less than 1/10 of an inch, just enough to wet the ground. But look at this second round coming in. This is for Wednesday night into Thursday, ending Thursday night. Many areas could see well over 1 inch of rain. Yeah, rain this time around. So tomorrow, morning showers. It'll be breezy at the lakeshore. Temperatures will be falling all day down into the mid-30s. This will be our target for tomorrow. Similar up north. You'll start the day in the 40s and then drop into the mid-30s by late afternoon. A breezy day as well. Any showers will be around in the morning. And here in the greater Grand Rapids area, looking at temperatures falling to 36 by the end of the day with all of the showers moving out. 13 on your side forecast. Over the weekend, 37 Saturday, 41 Sunday. Look at next week, 40s to near 50. Another round of some rain next Tuesday night. That would be Valentine's Day night into Wednesday morning, followed by more rain the following Thursday.